A basic introduction to propositional logic, demonstration 5.1, double arrow in. A biconditional is symbolized by the double arrow symbol. It means if and only if, exactly if, etc. The double arrow in rule joins a pair of conditionals with matching terms or letters. Problem 80. If you do well in the final, the instructor must pass you in the course. And if you do pass the course, it means you did well. So you'll pass the course if and only if you do well on the final. Step 1, find the code words. You'll notice that final is capitalized and it stands for doing well. And you'll see that pass is capitalized, so P will stand for the instructor passes you. Step 2, symbolize the relationships. The first statement says if you do well on the final, the instructor must pass you, so F arrow P. If you do pass the course, it means you did well. It's implied on the final, right? So P arrow F. The third statement has a so, and that it shows that it's the conclusion. You'll pass the course if and only if you do well on the final. So if and only if combines both of those arrows that we just had, right? P double arrow F. Basically, the biconditional is a conjunction of conditionals, and conjunction is commutative, right? So it could be either way. You could say P double arrow F, or it could be flipped to F double arrow P. But since the ordering of the words passing the test comes first in the statement, this ordering, P double arrow F, is preferred. Step 3, formalize the sequence. So we had two premises, F arrow P and P arrow F, and then we had the conclusion, P double arrow F. The premises are separated by commas. The conclusion is after the turnstile. That's true for every sequent. Now, once you get your sequent, you set up your proof. As you know, assumptions go at the top and the conclusion is placed at the bottom. These are taken directly from your sequent. All right, so how are you going to get to line 3? You have to think in reverse order, how will I get to my conclusion? Well, this is a very short proof. It just means that if you need a double arrow at the bottom, you just need those two letters pointing to each other. You need to somehow get P arrow F and F arrow P, and you do have both of those as assumptions already in the problem. So line 3 is just 1 and 2 double arrow in. Because it's combining two arrows, you need to have two lines, right? It's a 2-line rule. So since you have the arrows going both ways, you can combine them in the conclusion, 1, 2, double arrow in. Here's the answer with the sequent and the proof.